Hey guys, today we'll be making a shamrock just in time for St. Patrick's Day. It's a fairly easy project, so let's begin. So for this project, I used regular acrylic yarn and a 4mm hook. What you do first is you make a magic circle and sorry, my yarn got all over the place. Make a magic circle, you chain 2, and then into the magic circle you make 2 treble crochets. So when you do a treble crochet, you yarn over it twice, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2 more, yarn over again, and pull through the last 2. So once again, yarn over twice, go into the circle, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And one last time. Then you do 1 double crochet, and then 2 more treble crochets. Next you chain 2, you do a single crochet into the next stitch, and then you do a chain 2 once more, and that basically completes your first leaf. So now we're going to do the same exact pattern again. So 2 treble crochets first. Now you're going to do 1 double crochet, then you're going to do 2 more treble crochets. Once again, it's 2 loops over the hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, and then pull through the last 2. Then you chain 2, and then you do a single crochet into the magic circle, magic ring. So that completes your second one, and you just have 1 more leaf to go. So you chain 2, 2 double crochets. So you chain 2, 2 treble crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 treble crochets, and then we're gonna start our stem. So now instead of a single crochet, you're going to slip stitch into the magic ring because we're done with the leaves. So here we're going to start working on the stem, and all you do here after you tighten, like a tiny bit, not too much, but all you do here is you chain 5, and then you put a single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and then you slip stitch into the next 3. So count to 2, that's a single crochet, and then the next 3 stitches all the way up to the very end you slip stitch. And now all you do is slip stitch into the magic ring and tighten it, and there you go. There's your shamrock. And once you cut off the yarn, you'll see in the back that the 2 yarns are pretty close next to each other. So all I did was tie them together twice, so there's barely a chance that they're going to unwind, and then just cut it off like I did here. And yeah, you could make as many as you want. You could put chains in between them, make a necklace. Thanks for watching.